Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while. Today we're going to open Upper Deck Flare Ultra Midnight Suns. So lighting is a bit off today. Some of my lights is not on. Couldn't find the cable, so yeah. But let's try to make this work. This light is still too much. Yeah, we'll be chasing Jambalaya's original art card base, one-on-one sketches, discover thematic insert, Spellicraft Story, Spirit of Vengeance, Strange Tales, Hellfire, and more. This is Midnight Suns. I remember reading this in the 90s. I love this comics actually. Rip open cracks in the tombstone cards to reveal mini cards. Okay. Damage box. Let's hope we have a lucky damage box. Unearth Ultra Shades, comic flaming, including autograph version. And nothing much there. Okay, let's open this up. And yeah, let's hope we have some good fun with these products. And if you guys... 6 cards per pack actually. 12 packs per box. You guys stay around. I'm going to show you something we have been talking. So most people probably knows, but it's just to explain those who doesn't know between AP card, artist proof sketch card, and actual sketch card. So let's get started. Ooh, that's going to be nice thick cards here. Wow, look at that. Okay. Damage box. Let's hope it doesn't damage the cards. But usually damage box brings lucks. Let's get started. This feels thick. For 6 pack, this feels awesome. Okay, like I said, I've read these comics in the 90s. Loves Ghost Rider and all the Midnight Suns themes. So that's one of the theme. Blade. Thick card, very thick card, very nice thick cards here. Very nice thick card. And behind, that's the behind. I think this is a 100 card set. That's nice. So silver blade. Real name Eric Blue. Okay. Tomb of Dracula. Artist David. Okay. This is, I think, mostly original art. Blade. Sister Neil. Don't remember her. Is this our first hit? This is a green parallel, I believe. Okay, that's nice. It feels different the front. You see the front is, this is a bit just shine, then this has some like doff look and spot on the Colossus. Nice Colossus right there. Is this numbered? Can't see the numbering. No, I don't believe it's numbered. It's green parallel of Colossus. Very nice there. Ooh, Hellfire Lilith. This is acetate, and it's a bit different than normal acetate. As you can see, this is a bit thicker, so they actually cut off then paste it on a acetate bag. Oh, that's nice. Hellfire. Not sure if that's the hit. Let's see where my sleeve goes. Okay. Hellfire should be one of the insert. And it's Lilith. It's, like a die cut, but you put it on top of a. So this is a bit tough here. Die cut. Not a big fan of putting die cut on sleeves, but yeah. Hellfire. Okay, let's see if we can put that. This is quite a thin card, so see if we can put in on the 30. That's tough. We need a 50 point top loader, I believe. Okay, let's just put it there first. That is what does that? It's a bit hard to read. Thaumaturgical artifact, the blood gem. Okay, the blood gem. Artifacts. Interesting. Ooh, Mighty Thor. Didn't know she was in Lady Thor, actually. She was in Midnight Suns. Interesting. Second pack. Let's continue on. Okay. Black Cat. There. Let's move this first. See if we can. We have Silver Sable. Silver Saber. I think this is like you have the silver here. Let me see. Green. Okay. They actually wrote down the parallel. Silver, silver. Oh, this is not silver also. But this looks different though. 003. Could be an insert. Let's put it separately first. This part here. One of the mini insert maybe. Oh, we have another green. Is that one green every pack? We have Black Heart. Didn't. Okay, is that Dracula? No, Marlon. Marlon green. Oh, crack in the tombstone. Okay, we have a crack in the tombstone. So we're supposed to wrap that off. We'll wrap it at the end. Oh, this is Black Heart. So that's Black Heart. So is it a card? Is it a Black Heart card? Black Heart cracks in the tombstone. Her eyes burn red. Blah. This cracks in the tombstone. You guys can read it. Content surprise, you will find a mini card featuring Dreadful Demon, Hellish Host, Brimstone Biker, Venge Vampire, or another unearthly creature, untold horror from the dark side of the universe. Open the card along the perforated. Okay, we can open that over that side. We'll open this. Okay, that's a Marvel Spotlight on Werewolf by Night. Okay, if you guys have Disney Plus, it's actually a good movie. This underrated, not many people. It's actually part of MCU Werewolf by Night. Strange Tales. So that's our second hit actually. Black Cat is right there. Interesting that Black Cat is in Marvel Midnight Suns. Third pack. Okay, so far so good. It's been fun. Oh, Wolverine. Nice. We got a Wolverine, but the cutting is a bit bad. You can see the whites there. And this is 5 card only. Interesting. We only have 5 cards here. Cloak. From Cloak and Dagger. Silver. We have Dominoes. Alright. Domino Midnight Sun. Hopefully she'll be back in the next Deadpool movie. What's this? Is that a sketch? No, it doesn't. It looks different. Iron Fist. Oh, this is 3x3s. Okay. Iron Fist 3x3s. 5 out of 9. Thingy Iron Fist. If you collect 9 cards, you can combine. Not going to be easy. Have to buy, I believe. And we have Spellcraft Stories. That's silver. Very nice. And Wolverine. That's a keeper definitely, although it's a silver. It's anything Wolverine. So the next release of Fleer Ultra, I believe, is Wolverine, based on Wolverine. So that will be interesting, going to be fun. if we my LCS could get it. This is actually, at first my LCS said he's not going to get any of this, but turns out it was a surprise. It came. Metacruz, silver. Frank Drake, silver. We have, what's this? Calypso, green. So one green in every pack, I believe. Ooh, a blue Reyes. What's that? Robbie Reyes. Okay, that's nice. Blue. Blue should be numbered, right? Yes, out of 180. 142 out of 180. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, let's find my where's my thick sleeve? Okay, thick sleeve is right here. Interesting, it's out of 130. This is out of 130. Oh, 180. Oh, let me see. Oh, 180. Blue is one of 180. Very nice. We have Vengeance, Spirit of Vengeance. Ooh, very nice. This one. Spirit of Vengeance, Vengeance. Like that. Like that out. That is a very nice card. Victoria Montesi is never heard of her. So definitely green. Ghost Rider is definitely the main character in this set. Oh, what do we have? What's that? Is that a Jambalaya? Oh, it could be a Jambalaya. Wait. Let's show you guys. Caretaker. Okay. I have something there. Let's take this out first. Wow, that's a nice one. The ancient one. The ancient one. Wow. We have Molek. Ooh, that's a very nice Venom right there. Wow. Okay, let's see. Is it a jump? It is a Jambalaya. Sleepwalker, alright. Couldn't say the best character to hit, but it's in Jambalaya. And it's not numbered. Interesting. Not numbered. Not numbered. Sleepwalker. Not the best character, but Menthing Tong Tum Blue, Sleepwalker inside the Soul Stone. 12 out of 24. Midnight Sun. Oh, is that the damage one bottom there? Right, Jambalaya. Sleepwalker. Nice box, nice box. Okay. Nice box. Spellcraft Story? Okay. Yeah, I'm supposed to be excited. Sleepwalker is like one in a case, I believe. 1 in 144. So supposed to be very excited, and it looks nice with the gold background, but the character is just yeah, not the one you want. Not the one you want. So you will put it on this side. So I think I need some Mistress Death. Okay, we have Rachel Van Helsing, silver. And a green blood gem. Oh, that's exactly the same card. Look at that. Green and silver blood gem. Huh. And who's this? Wait, why there's no name? Ultra Shades. Okay. Interesting. We're getting a lot of hits here. This is a very interesting box. Ultra Shades, I believe, is one of the box hit. Ultra Shades. Oh, wow. Andre Meister. Interesting. That's nice, actually. It's like a full art with just a logo there. Okay, good box. Good box. Spellcraft stories. So we have a bunch of those. And we have Lilith again. Okay, Spellcraft stories. I think we have 1, 2, already 3. And 1 3x3. 1 3x3. That's supposed to be box hit too. Okay, it's a, how should I say, error box. We could get a sketch. Let's hope so. This is something different here. Silver. You can see the silver part there, if you can. Martin and Croft. You know, Calypso. Sabertooth. This is an interesting. Oh, that's a medallion actually. Just a normal medallion. Louis Hastings. Oh, that's nice actually. Cosmic Ghost Rider Spirit of Vengeance. So we have Spirit of Vengeance is 2 of that. We have 2 Spirit of Vengeance. And we have a medallion. It should be a silver. Oh, Sabertooth. Sabertooth is quite nice. Is he going to be back in the Deadpool and Wolverine movie in 2024 this July? So that's nice right there. Medallion. I believe we will have a bunch of those. Next one. Let's still hope for an error box with a sketch card. Let's hope for that. Black Panther. Yeah, Black Panther. Silver. Venom. Silver. Morbius. Silver. Morbius. That's another medallion of Falcon. Nice. Oh, who is that? Another Spellcraft stories. Quite a lot of Spellcraft stories, surprisingly. Let's put in the medallion first. So we have 4 Spellcraft stories. Let's put in the medallion. And Stacy Dolan. Yeah, I'm going to read back this Midnight Suns. Hope rekindle. Yeah, if you have, I guess if you guys, I do have Marvel Unlimited comic, so I can read all the back part and all that. And we have nothing interesting there. Wasp. Ooh, who's that? Mid Market. We have Linda Little Trees. Wow! Oh wow! Scarlet Spider. Wow, that's nice. That's a very nice Scarlet Spider medallion. Wow. Unnumbered, but very nice. Very nice. Okay, we have another artifact. So we do have a bunch of artifacts here. Let's put it there. And Modern Domestic. 3 more packs, guys. So thank you guys for staying around. Now don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't done so, and comment what you think about the product so far. Oh, this is a bit, it sticks. What's wrong with this? I hope it's something good. Jinx. It kind of a bit weird. Different color. Or maybe it's the. We have Colossus. Oh, Werewolf by Night again. Is it the same one? Wow, it's the same one, but it's green. It's stuck here. Okay. Oh, medallion. So we have to insert that we have the same color. Morbius. That's a very nice. That's so cool. Look at that. That's a cool art right there. Mjolnir with Lady Thor. You know, I just have an artist actually draw this one right there. Draw that one right there. I wish I can show you. I haven't received the sketch card yet from him. So wow, that's a very nice look there. Bloodthirst. 2 more packs. Ghost Rider. Only Ghost Rider right there. Within. It's a very nice one. Modeling. And mid-market green. Another medallion Thor. I wish I have Lady Thor. Not this Thor. Not this Thor. But still very nice. Man-Thing. Strange Tales. This is the comic art. Deacon Frost. Okay, last pack magic. Let's hope we have something good here. Then I'll show you an AP sketch, artist proof sketch. What does it mean? I'll show you what it means if you guys don't know what AP means in the world of sketch cards. Oh, Adam Warlock. Okay. We have Dominoes. And oh, Taboo. Okay. Nice. Captain America. Medallion. We have Spellcraft Stories. Let's move the medallion here. Spellcraft Stories here. Then Outcast. Okay, we're stuck now. Okay, we have green. You do get 1 green, I believe, in every pack, as we have seen. Then we have this, so that should be part of the green. This comic, the Spirit of Vengeance. 1 numbered card. Green, 2 green insert. Okay, let's count. So we have 3 of these artifacts. 2 Spirit of Vengeance. That's a very cool card right there. 2 comic cover. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 Spellcraft Stories. That is a nice theme right there. Then 1 numbered card. 6 medallion. So you do get 1 in every 2 pack, I believe. Then this is the green of the insert. Green of the base card. So 1 green in every pack. Then we have this 3x3 of Iron Fist. Good box. Ultra Shade. Nice, very nice art right there. And nothing, just the logo. Very nice, full art. Very similar to this. Full art. We have the big hit is Jambalaya of Sleepwalker. And oh, this one. What's this? Hellfire. This is cool actually. It's a die cut with an acetate on the back. Then we have this Crack in the Tombstone. Let's crack this up. Crack in the Tombstone. How am I supposed to crack this up? Let's hope it doesn't work. Okay. Interesting that it says a black heart inside in there already. Is it part of black heart? Or it's just totally random? Okay, let's do this. Oh, what the? Okay, totally messed that up. Come on. How am I supposed to tear this? I saw the card already. Come on. Oh, I messed this up. Totally messed this up. I think it's a comic cover. Totally messed this up. Sorry guys. Let's just rip this up. There you go. Midnight Suns comic cover. Who are you? Wish Demon. Wish Demon. All the character we hope not to get. I don't even know what this Wish Demon means. See if you guys can. Oh, it's actually all the character. 19. CRM 19. Wish Demon. Actually, it's a character, so luckily it's a character. It's not one of those. I think you could get like artifact, all those kind of things. Weird. Hey, not complaining. We got some good stuff here with Jambalaya right there in our case. That's a case hit. Let's move this, put this here. So before we end this video, let me show you the AP of this product. Okay, what is an AP? AP is called artist proof. Artist proof is basically a blank card given to this artist who made sketch card for this product. So this is not pulled product. This once you have this AP logo, it's not pulled. So it's a blank card given to the artist for them to draw and sell, for them to earn extra income basically. So here it is. Whoa, look at that. You know, I thought it was Midnight Suns, the game. I kind of didn't see it properly. So that's Midnight Suns. So that's yeah, you guys should know who she is. Okay. This is artist sketch card, but with an AP logo right there. For those sketch card you pulled from the pack, you will not have this AP logo. So those that you can tell the difference. Which one is a pulled product? Which one is a blank card given to artist? This is requested by me. The character to be drawn. I guess like it. This is drawn by talented Kurobi, yeah, and he's Indonesian. So yeah, so the back will be the same like this, only with this AP logo. Some of the recent one I seen is just blank, then the artist will write AP on the side here, or the AP is on the back. So just to let you guys know, there's two different sketch card in the market you could get. So this is what we call artist proof. The pulled one, yeah, without the AP logo, you couldn't get the character you want, but it's a pulled one. Usually you can get even more famous artists, but this is already one of the desired one. So yeah, I can show you guys. Here's one. Midnight Suns. Yeah, I thought it was the game actually. I thought it was a card for the games, not the Midnight Suns of the, because the game, if you know, recently they come up with SUNS, Midnight Suns. So it's a play with the, but they still incorporate a lot of Ghost Rider and all those people. All right, so for that, let's end this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's been a while. See you guys next time. Oh, don't like to subscribe, and comment what you think about this video. Bye bye.